Nigel Farage has blasted Prime Minister Boris Johnson's UK travel corridor ban, claiming the move is 10 months too late. The leader of the Brexit party criticised the government for getting tough on coronavirus restrictions too slowly. Taking to Twitter, Mr. Farage wrote, "The government getting tough on foreign flights, it's 10 months too late." It came after Mr. Johnson suspended all travel corridors from 4 a.m. on Monday to protect the UK against yet unidentified new strains. All travellers coming from countries where quarantining on arrival to the UK was no required will now have to self-isolate. He added that all international arrivals would have to test negative for COVID-19. During a Downing Street press briefing, Mr. Johnson said, "It is vital to take these extra measures now when day by day, hour by hour, we are making such strides in protecting the population." The Prime Minister warned there are now more than 37,000 COVID patients in hospital across the UK. He continued, "In spite of all the efforts of our doctors and nurses and our medical staff, we are now seeing cancer treatments sadly postponed, ambulances queuing, and intensive care units spilling over into adjacent wards." Mr. Johnson urged the public to stay at home in order to protect the NHS and save lives. He added, "This is not the time for the slightest relaxation of our national resolve and our individual efforts." The announcement came as the UK registered 55,761 new COVID-19 cases on Friday. Britain also reported a further 1,280 deaths related to the coronavirus in the latest 24-hour period. On Wednesday, the UK recorded its highest daily coronavirus death figure since the start of the pandemic, reaching 1,564. Mr. Johnson also warned that 1 in 3 people with COVID-19 have no symptoms. The travel corridor announcement came after the government banned flights from South America and Portugal on Thursday over fears of a new Brazilian variant. The Prime Minister said, "This means that if you come to this country, you must have proof of a negative COVID test that you have taken in the 72 hours before leaving, and you must have filled in your passenger locator form, and your airline will ask for proof of both before you take off."